little birdie told me that the secret to Kareena Kapoor Khan's glowing skin is a honey facial that she swears by. So I decided to dig deeper into this wonder product. Hi, I'm Shikha and today I'm going to list down some of the beauty benefits of Winnie the Pooh's favorite, honey. So let's get started. Suffering from chapped or dry lips? Do not lick or smack them. Instead, turn to honey. Honey has properties that help it hold on to moisture, hence moisturizing anything that it's put onto. Apply a thin layer of honey on your lips before you go to bed and you will wake up with soft, moisturized lips. Acne scars and pimples are uninvited guests that are never welcomed. A simple way to shoo them away is honey. Apply honey to the affected area and seal it in place using a bandage. Now let this stay on overnight and the next morning rinse it off with water. The antibacterial properties in honey will help soothe the pimple and reduce it over time. For those of you suffering from split ends, here's a natural conditioning hair mask for you. Mix your honey with olive oil, use both of them in equal portions and apply it to the ends of your hair. This will help nourish and moisturize your dry ends as well as make your hair shiny and bouncy. It's time to give your skin some TLC with a honey facial. Mix 1 part of honey with 2 parts of aloe vera gel. Now apply this mixture on your face like a face mask. Let it sit for about 20 to 40 minutes and wash it off with lukewarm water. This will instantly give you plump, hydrated and refreshed skin. Can't seem to get rid of those pesky little blackheads on your nose? The solution is simple. Mix a little honey with lemon juice and apply it to the affected area for best results. That's it guys, this is how you can add the wonder ingredient honey into your beauty regime. I hope these tips were helpful. Let us know what other ingredient you would like us to dig deep into and give you beauty benefits of. Till then, stay tuned to Horrorfly.